Let's do this. Guys, good morning, good evening, I don't even know what time it is where you are right now, but we're about to start a new video off. So just before we go on our journey today, there was a little comment in the section below which told me about after we put the induction kit on, which obviously if you haven't seen it's in the top right hand corner, but after we put this induction kit on, the Ramair which Hannah put on, obviously we've had to remove the engine cover and everything like that. Another video to come will be me sort of cleaning this up because it just looks so dirty and a mess right now, but we will do it. But one thing I have noticed is that it's got this oil filler neck on here, and one of you guys actually commented saying that they become loose and rattly and then it becomes you get idling issues from it, and it just looks ugly poking up like that. So have done a bit of research into it, and shout out to the chap who commented on the last video. This is what it's about, YouTube, just helping each other out and everything. But you can actually just remove the filler neck. So if you guys do have an induction kit, all you need is some grips like this. I hope this is going to work now because I'm sort of calling it, and then it's sort of glued in. So I'm going to get my bigger grips, in fact more prepared, some big ass grips now. So it is glued in, so you've got to be careful not to break anything into the rocker cover. So we're just going to give it a, oh my god, I'm scared. And there we go. So it sounds scary and everything's broken off, but it's just sort of glued in there. And now hopefully when I put the oil cap back on, I hope it's going to go back on. Let's just see that. Let me just clear up a bit of the glue around the edge. Make sure nothing's going to go. We've got the oil filler cap, and it should go directly in there. Oh my god. Like that. And then it looks just like 10 times better. Looks flush. You got rid of this horrible filler cap. So nice little mod to start the day off. Now obviously today you know what's probably going to happen from the title of the video, so let's get going, and we'll start the video off now. So check back with you when we're at, I don't know where we're at, check back with you in a second. Right, so the first stop for today is, as usual, if you've seen in the videos before, it's going to be Caffeine and Machine, which is not too far down the road from us. Basically like a pub where it's just for car enthusiasts. So we'll go there, we're going to grab some food, we're going to see what sort of cars are there, and then we're going to move on to obviously the 0 to 60 time of the stage 1 Audi TT. We are parked up. Now we're starving for food, so we need to go and get some food before we do anything. It's not actually that busy today. Guys, so welcome to the part of the video that you have probably been waiting for. It's a bit of a different one. I don't see many people do this. There's probably a good reason, but I'm not going to do this. I don't actually like thrashing the TT. I just like driving it around. But it's going to be very, very interesting to know what the actual realistic 0 to 60 time is on the stage 1 remapped by Mallory Performance Audi TT. Obviously it's got the Ramair induction kit as well. The S-line exhaust, and other than that there's not much performance modifications to it. This is only the front wheel drive model, so it only front wheel drive. This is a private road that my friends let me borrow with. It's got a slight curve towards it, so that could affect the 0 to 60. We're running on sort of budget tyres, nothing special really. There's nothing really performance about the car. I never really went to go along the performance sort of modifications, but now we are. Maybe we'll have to look at upgrading the tyres. So the way we're going to do this, we're going to use an app on the phone called Drag Race, and then that actually, I don't know how accurate it is, but it measures the 0 to 60 time, and hopefully get it as realistic as possible, because obviously you know the manufacturer's 0 to 60 is not as realistic as you may think. We'll probably do 2 runs, and we'll use the best of 2 runs. Okay, let's do this. I don't know how accurate this is, called Drag Racer. It obviously goes green when it knows I'm at 0 mile an hour, and then it's going to measure the time I get to 10, 20, 40 and 60 mile an hour. So we're going to get it down this strip, we're going to see what we can get it to, and then I want you guys as well, if you've got a TT, put in the comments below what you managed to get yours running to. Obviously I know the Quattro is probably going to have a lot more grip and it's going to be better off the line, which is where I'm going to downfall in this 0 to 60 time. So let's see what I can get it to. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Oh my god.
What did we get? Let's get the results. Okay guys, so results are in. That wasn't that good of a launch, I don't think, because I have the traction control on, because it's quite a gravelly road, it's not the best road. Kevin is seat belted in at the back, he's not just like floating around, getting floated around the back. But, so we're done. The results are 0 to 60 in real life conditions. Obviously we had a bit of lag because the traction control kicked in. So 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds there. There's the clear evidence. So there it is, the clear evidence, 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds, which is actually not bad at all. I think in the previous video, in the wet, we did it in 7. So I'm gonna do another go, see if we can better that. Oh, that's it resetting. And do another go, see if we can better that. And then we'll leave it at that, because I really do actually hate thrashing this car, but you know what, it's all for the YouTube, it's all for you guys. Let me know what you guys can get on your car as well. Make sure you download Drag Racer. That it's not a sponsorship or anything like that, it's literally, I think it's just a bit of fun. So make sure you get a private road, go down it and give it a go. So right, let's do round 2 now. Oh, not as much wheel spin this time. Woo! And on the brakes. So guys, results after the second run. Disappointing. So we're going to take the first run as the winner, as the second run got 7 seconds bang on. The second run got 7 seconds bang on, which is absolutely terrible really. But what I tried to do then, I just tried to feather the throttle a bit so I didn't wheel spin as much, but obviously it didn't pay off. The first run as the best run of 5.6 seconds. We're happy with that. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see me do a real one. Maybe we should actually do a 1/4 mile in this or something, but I literally hate thrashing the car. I feel so bad for it afterwards, but I mean, it's all for YouTube. This car was built for YouTube. Obviously, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Make sure you click subscribe. Obviously, we've only done 2 runs. I do drive this round every day, so I don't like thrashing the absolute pants off it. But if this video gets enough reaction and enough comments below, we'll take it on a 1/4 mile strip, and we'll see what we can actually get it on the 1/4 mile. Maybe we'll need some better tyres for that as well. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you have any other video ideas or anything like that on the Audi TT, make sure you put them in the comments below. And also, if you've got an interesting car or any sort of modification you want to do on your car and you think it'd be good for my channel, let me know. Message me on Facebook or even in the comments section, and we'll get things moving. And I just want to bring as many different cars to the channel as possible. So guys, make sure you click subscribe. We'll see you in the next video, which will be next week. Peace out.